Welcome back to Josh White's Outdoor Adventures. Man, I've been planning this for a while. I'm going to go to Dothan, Alabama again, where the show this season first started. We're going to go back to Mercy Creek Outfitters, and we're going to join Bill. He's going to take his daughter hunting, and I want to go hunting down here. I'm looking for an Alabama buck, hoping that I strike out on a good one. So y'all stick around, see what happens.
Let it bang way out in the sticks. 308 in a dirty I6. Ain't a thing cause we're all getting lit. In the woods with a redneck click. Let it bang way out in the sticks. 308 in a dirty I6. Ain't a thing cause we're all getting lit. In the woods with a redneck click. Let it bang way out in the sticks. 308 in a dirty I6. Ain't a thing cause we're all getting lit. In the woods with a redneck click. Let it bang way out in the sticks.
Josh White's Outdoor Adventures is brought to you by Wilson Arms, Bub and Mothers, Buckmax, Second Chance Hunt, PNR Whitetail Supreme, and Outdoor Pro Shop.
It is 12 after 7 in the morning, day after Christmas. It's December 26th. I am just now starting my journey down to Dothan, Alabama, where I was in September and killed those 3 hogs. Down south, their rut's a lot different than ours. Up here, our rut's over and it's been over for a little while, and down there it's just starting to kick up. That's the way it is down south, that in them parts. So we'll see what happens. Matt's got a lot of big bucks on cam, a lot of them during the night. Hopefully we can catch one during the daylight. We'll see what happens. Y'all stick around, and we're gonna see what we can get. I'm hoping for a big buck. I got that big Kentucky buck, and I got a decent 8-point in West Virginia, but I'd really like to get a big Alabama buck. So we'll see what happens. Follow along, Well, I made it to Dothan, Alabama, to Mercy Creek Outfitters. I just talked to Matt. He's trying to come up with a game plan for tomorrow, for this weekend. We'll see what happens with that. That was a long drive. 13 hours to get here, pretty much. And it was a long haul. So I'm ready to get settled in a little bit. I made it into the box blind. This morning was a really, really early morning. It's starting to get daylight out. Yesterday morning there was a buck here. And then last night there was a buck here. That's what Matt said. We'll see what happens. Stick around. Well, it's misty and rainy this morning. I just jumped a deer on the way in. I'm in the same spot I was yesterday evening. Matt thinks that there should be some movement this morning, and I should see something, so we'll see what happens.
confidence. Y'all stick around, stay tuned.
Josh White's Outdoor Adventures is brought to you by Gilson Arms, Bub and Mothers, Buckmax, Second Chance Hunt, PNR Whitetail Supreme, and Outdoor Pro Shop.
Alright folks, we're just about to Dothan. We'll be getting in probably here in the next 45 minutes or so. About lunchtime, we're going to grab a snack, do a little bit of looking around, shoot the rifle, make sure the scope's on still, and then head to our first set. Be a nice location. It's the same place where Ethan got his first buck here a few years back. It's where we passed on a 7 last year. Libby's got a new rule for this trip. What is it, hon?
If it's 6 points or higher, you take it. If it's lower than 6, no.
Yeah, last year we let the 7-point walks. We had some bigger deer on camera, and we were kind of hoping for some better luck, but it was our first set. The 7-point came out. We let him go. And, well, don't ever pass on the first day on what you shoot the last. So we didn't see any more deer after that. We've seen a lot of does and seen some deer after dark or before light, but not within shooting light. We went home empty-handed last year. anyways, give us a little bit. We'll get set up, situated, and we'll come back from you guys from the blind. Enjoy the ride. Afternoon, everybody. We rolled into town a little after lunch. We got to Mercy Creek. We got to the Empire, the cabin. Got set up. Took Elizabeth out. She put a few rounds through the rifle. I put a round through it. Trying to make sure everything was still set up and the scope was good and that. Got loaded up early. Josh was already in. He just came in for a little bit to take a break to get some lunch. He was out this morning on stand. He seen a doe, he said, and nothing, no shooter bucks or nothing though. But we're set up now on our set. We got a nice little blind on a plateau here. I think the farthest shot's probably about 90 yards. Little clear area in here. This is where Ethan took his first buck several years back. Like I said, we passed on a nice 7-point here last year. We're hoping. We got some good deer on movement here on camera that we've seen over the last couple weeks. They had a cold front come through a few days ago, and now the temperature's slowly, gradually building back up again. It's kind of warm, but that cold snap kind of kicked the deer into the rut, and they're starting to chase a little bit, so we're hoping for good things. So wish us luck and hang tight, and we'll keep you posted. Thanks. Hey everybody, we're still waiting. It's what did you say it was? 10:30? 10:40 in the morning. We had some rain showers coming earlier. The haze finally burned off in the fog. Brought in some morning sprinkles. We had about an hour's worth of light drizzle and rain. Then still cloudy and overcast out though. Got a little breeze going. Temperature bumped up probably about 5 degrees. We're up in the mid to high 60s right now. We haven't seen anything yet today besides a couple of does this morning. I talked to Josh earlier. He's seen one little basket rack buck or something like that, a scrub buck, he said. But other than that, he hasn't seen anything either. He's sitting in the little tower blind, probably, I'd say, 1/2 to 3/4 mile away from us. But we got sitting here on this creek bed in this clearing, we haven't seen anything. There's a strong storm front coming in tonight, pushing storms through the Midwest and the South. But coming through Louisiana and into Alabama, they're calling for some pretty heavy rain and possible some scattered tornadoes and stuff like that. We're not supposed to get that so much as maybe just some showers overnight and some downpours into the morning. Was kind of hoping that with the weather front coming in, the deer will be moving a little more today and this afternoon, so we're going to hang out and wait and see what happens, but wish us luck.
Elizabeth's making fun of me because I forgot the binoculars in the truck. So now we have not none.
Everybody, this is day 2. This is our first morning set. We got up this morning, kind of real light drizzle, cloudy, overcast, hazy, foggy this morning. We got into the blind a little bit after 5, about 5:15. Day breaks a little after 6. Right before daybreak though, we had 2 does come in. One small little one moved around right here, walked all the way up, was right in front of the blind. Second one was out probably about 45, 50 yards. Hit the corn a little bit, mulled around, and drifted off to our left. We kept looking back to the right into the wood line there, but we haven't seen anything. Kind of hanging out, waiting on the weather to see what it's going to do. Should be a good day either way, though. Alright, so it's, I don't even know what time it is, but we were sitting here and you guys seen it. We had a
2:38.
Olivia's been playing in the dirt. She got bored and everything else. We were trying to have snacks and drinks, and I seen a buck come in at the far end of the lane here. I got on quick with the camera, and he was leading his way towards us, and I kept telling her, let her, you know, wait for a shoulder shot, let him get broadside, whatever, get comfortable, breathe, everything else. And she kind of scared me with the camera because I was just getting ready to zoom in on him a little bit, and about that time she fired on him, and it looks like a good clean shot. She took his whole shoulder out, it looks like. Hey everybody, all right, kind of winded here. We sat out to do a little bit of tracking. We found our deer. I got some still pics that I'll forward to Josh that he can post up when we first located him. He didn't get off probably, we figure about 100 yards he ran. Cut into the woods, headed down towards the creek bed, balled up against the tree down there.
Da, 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 da.
Baby girl's first deer, little 6-point. Good looking deer though, pretty deer. Matt always does his best here. We have a great time hunting here. This is like a family tradition. And well, her brother got his first buck here. Now she got her first buck here. And last year we let one walk just a little bit bigger, but I think it worked out better this way. But what do you think, hon?
I like my baby.
300 blackout does it again. He's down. I don't think he's no giant buck, but he's down. Works for me. First Alabama buck right here. Well, I seen a deer about 200 yards out. It was getting kind of hard to see. Shooting light was done. And, you know, man, I seen horns. And I was just like, well, either it's going to be a big one or it's not. You know, I only have one more day left. I was going to, you know, tomorrow's my last day here. I've never got a deer in Alabama. Well, now I can say that I have. It's a little 4-pointer. It's all right. It'll eat the same on it, Matt.
That's right. Hey, it'll be good.
Absolutely.
We got this weather front pushing in on us too.
Yep, it's supposed to rain and get pretty nasty tomorrow. So, better late than never. And it's always nice not to go home. It's always nice to go home not empty-handed. So,
right.
Yeah. So, Bilson Arms 300 blackout BA15 FC did it again. That thing's bad, ain't it, Matt?
It's doing work. Ain't no doubt about that.
Absolutely.
I ain't seen nothing leave from it yet.
It's tough to escape, man.
That's right.
All right, y'all. Well, thanks for staying with us. It's been a fun hunt. Beautiful country you got here, Matt. Mercy Creek Outfitters, you gotta check them out. You gotta come on down. What's your phone number, Matt?
334-618-8554.
There you go.
We'll take good care of you.
Oh, and he does. He does, man. You know, there's some outfitters that I've tried that I haven't liked, and there's some outfitters that I've tried that I do like, and Matt's one of those that I do like. He takes care of you, so try him out, and we'll see you on the next episode of Josh White's Outdoor Adventures.